Gecko inbound. Swap out east.
Roger.
To find out where they were operating domestically.
What's the story?
There are details of Cairo
Was
that...
not addressing you, ma'am.
Sweep the room.
You know, if we'd known that Pax had the tech to master movements, we probably could have saved Salim.
What are you doing?
I wouldn't have taken a round to the chest, and we probably wouldn't have spent the better part of a week walking around with a severed fucking thumb.
Language.
My bad. Nasty habit. Trying to quit.
The thumb is what I needed to confirm. The RFID chip...
Gave us intel on Kincaid's cell in Brooklyn, but not how they frickin' got there.
Salim was trying to play both sides of the street. He was selling Pax everything they needed to pull off the op in Brooklyn, and selling me intel that they had the means to get in undetected.
Pax had Project Velis.
They killed him because he knew those words.
Don't be dramatic. They were just tying up loose ends, cleaning up messes. What I want to know is, how'd he get his hands on a tech that blacks out satellite imagery?
Project Velis. Project Velis. Project Velis. Nope, it's not in here.
It wouldn't be. It's not on paper.
It was on a server. In Georgia. It was a cybersecurity installation.
No. It was the whole server.
That's what my guys died for.
It hadn't even been cleared for deployment. We were set to field test it. Quietly.
And then the monster got out of the lab.
Where'd this confidence of yours come from?
I had a good teacher.
Where the fuck was this in Brooklyn?
That was the lesson.
Nothing like New York, no matter the weather.
Traffic's backed up too. They closed the roads for the NATO summit.
Thanks, Fernandez. You really lost your vote over a few miles of gridlock?
We go through hell to warn them Pax is in town. And what does President Fernandez do? He says, okay, let's hold a NATO summit right on their doorstep.
I think he's flipping Pax off. Good for him.
These Fernandez brought insurance, huh? The Artemis. Thought she was still on patrol in the Red Sea. Fernandez sure knows how to show the flag.
And now she's our backup too. Hell yeah.
1 minute 12C. Even Kincaid's gotta respect that kind of firepower, right? As much as he respects anything. If only we knew what kind of attack he was planning. Well, I guess we'll have to burn that pack cell and find out. Speaking my language.
Approaching LC, Brooklyn Heights. Perimeter's been established around target area.
Right on first base.
The Marstock team?
Yeah, fresh in from Cairo. Team Chief Carter.
Sergeant Aker. I'm the lead for the signals team. They say it, we relay it.
Where we at?
I got a briefing set up with the other team leaders. Get prepped and come join us.
We gotta get this started. We got this pack cell locked down to a small residential zone. The perimeter's tight, but they still control one side of the street, outside their HQ.
That's where Kincaid's running this attack?
No idea. We can't get our decryption platform close enough to eavesdrop on their comms. You, Sierra, and Quebec, clear the houses along the street, secure the position. We bring the SIGINT platform in.
Then we wait. For how long?
Just long enough for my people to do their magic. Once we get the info on the strike, we can regroup. Whatever this Kincaid guy is cooking up, they've been spending some serious money on. You watch yourselves.
Radio check. Sergeant Ty, Quebec squad.
Sergeant Garrett, Sierra Squad checking in.
Sergeant Carter, Dagger 1-3, check.
Move forward to establish a defensive line. Keep low and watch for enemy fire.
Pax forces on the other side of the street. Hold position. Wait for the signal.
Sierra in place. Confirm and wait for signal.
Dagger in place. Holding.
Quebec holding position.
Quebec, Dagger. Go, go, go.
We're up.
Basement's clear.
Murphy, breach!
Breaching now!
Floor's clear!
Hey, you hear that?
All clear!
We're ready to move up.
Target's down, all clear.
Dagger, this is Ty. We're pinned down. Stairs are blocked. Can you reach through?
Got it. Watch that wall.
Enemy through the wall!
Reloading. Keep them off me.
Reloading!
We're cutting right through them.
All that financing can't buy talent.
Quebec, you should be clear.
Nice work, Dagger. We'll find our way around.
This is Dagger 1-3 actual. Street is clear for signals.
Copy that, Carter. SIGINT is moving in.
Dagger, this is Sergeant Aker. SIGINT platform's moving in now. Don't you worry. Any more packs show up, we'll keep them busy. You'd better, unless you got a few $1 million around to fix this kid. Okay, Dagger. System is up. Got some active signals.
Quebec and Sierra are pushing forward to the HQ. Dagger, give them cover from the roof while Aker runs decryption.
Understood. Swapping kit. Hostile sighted. Sierra, Quebec, hold position while we clear them out.
Copy that.
Provide cover fire! Reloading! Sniper! Sierra, Quebec, clear to advance.
We're on the move.
Dagger, this is Aker. Already got some intercepts from PAX to local substations.
Shit. Kincaid could be after the power grid. Black out the city, cut off the UN and NATO. Terrorize millions of people.
NYC has a lot of eggs in one basket.
Keep us posted, eh?
Clear right. Stairwell left.
Clear.
Stairwell clear.
Looks like Kincaid's war room. Dagger, actual to command. We found something big.
Copy that, Dagger. Signal decryption is in progress.
Forward to Murphy while we investigate.
They bucked out in a hurry. No sign of Kincaid.
Maybe he was never here.
No, Kincaid's a ground commander. Likes to get his hands bloody.
Lovely guy.
Has?
The strike. It's the warship. The Artemis. Kincaid planted a mole on board. Pax is planning to use her missiles against New York. Power grid's just the first step. Then it's bridges and tunnels. Then Midtown.
Kincaid's gonna lock the doors and then blow the whole place up.
Mills, you on this?
Already scrambling NSF to the Artemis. God, we thought we covered all the bases.
This is Knock to Operation Horatius. We're calling time. Any stragglers go now.
Your men are dead, Alex.
Has Carter. Fucking hell. Look at you. Talking like we're old pals. Like nothing ever happened.
Oh, fuck that. If I'd known you were alive, you know things would have been different.
Well, the whole world's gonna look different now. Just takes a little shake of perspective. Once you see the US away from the outside, you see it's not at the heart of anything. It just eats everything.
Oh, yeah? So you're gonna replace it with what? Huh? Pax doesn't stand for shit except money and power.
Jesus has. You never change. You can stand in the Empire State and talk like that with a straight face. But there's better freedoms to die for. People don't fight when they've been taught not to think. You got a team down there, right? Look them in the eye when they go, Has. It'll be more than you did for me.
Kincaid? Damn it. Where the hell is he?
Kincaid's running this strike. He'd need telemetry transmitters to help redirect the missiles.
Mills.
SIGINT is picking up chatter below you, but...
We got something else down below us, too.
Calling time, he said. Kincaid's planning to clean house. Guns up!
Ammo over there.
I hear them!
IED! Kincaid rigged this place! We're clear!
Down, they said?
All right, look for a way below street level.
Think I found something. Checking for booby traps.
Looks clean.
Carter, we found a way down.
Mills. Pax was coming up from below the street.
Shit. And Pax was just holding you off from their real HQ.
Yep. Kincaid could still have forces in the neighborhood.
Hemlock here. I'll run Quebec and Sierra while you take Dagger below.
Copy that. Watch out for booby traps.
SIGINT's picking up activity ahead. Gotta be those telemetry transmitters.
Pax cut off access. We're gonna need to repel. Pop smoke. We don't know what's waiting for us down there. Heads up! Welcoming committee! Reloading!
And keep moving! Front! MG! Weapons to the under heavy fire! MG down!
Look at all this. Real PMC home away from home.
Must have dug into old subway tunnels.
Imagine the construction bill. No wonder Salim got wise.
Dagger, this is Acre. Signals show those transmitters are on the move.
What? Shit. Is Kincaid shipping them out?
Yo, is that a train?
If that's how they're shipping them out. Come on! Locked! Breaching! Keep focused. Maybe we can board it if we can catch it. Grab the defender. Lopez, turret! We up?
We're up!
Rolling.
If we don't go now, we'll lose them.
Damn! Okay, we're still on their trail. Company!
We've got him! Keep us in range!
Clear the way! We're taking out an electrical junction. It's the train! Come on, it feels like I'm just tickling it. I'm not gonna stop the train like this. Dead end up ahead!
Hold on! Watch your heads! What you know, you know. We good?
Good.
Good.
Dismount!
Damn it, train's long gone.
Then we pursue from the air. Let's get topside, calling a little bird.
Hey, see the logo on the container? That's Salim's company.
Oh, great. Pax could ship in whatever they wanted. Into the tunnels, then anywhere in the city.
This is Dagger. We need immediate pickup.
Landing's over!
It won't be when we're done. Take them out! Reloading!
Southeast!
Tell them to land on a roof, safer than the ground. I'm reloading! Target above neutralized. All right's here! Sniper, eliminated.
Here, take this ammo!
Sniper, neutralized!
Someone up there did not want us following that train. What, like divine intervention?
Cade always did act like someone was looking out for him. Marksman down! Time to go!
Nice drive, Pax.
Mount up!
Mills here. NSF has made several arrests aboard the USS Artemis. However, they can't confirm the missile launch system is secure. If Kincaid is using telemetry transmitters, if he can redirect the missiles from that train...
It's armored to hell and back, Mills.
We're scrambling Viper 1-1 from Gabreski, but it's gonna be tight. You're calm, but the bridge is on lockdown. We've cleared the area.
Understood.
Mills out.
Shit. How long do we have? Till the train clears the city. Kincaid won't risk his own neck.
Are we really doing this? Bringing the rain on Brooklyn?
Pax did this, and Kincaid put 3 million people in the line of fire.
Never again. That means not on our watch, got it? We only got one shot at this, but that's all we need. Hold steady. Mills, we're painting the target for Viper 1-1.
The bridge?
Nope. The tracks. Not yet. Come on. Do it. Anyone see movement? Those transmitters. Yeah, we're not done. Let's secure the wreck. Murph with me. Lopez Gecko provide cover.
Copy that.
Roger.
Kincaid really got us to fire on our own bridge.
Yeah, it's a pattern.
How do you handle someone who turns your own weapons against you?
Fight smarter.
Transmitters were probably toward the front of the train.
Let's move up. Swapping weapon. Heads up!
We shouldn't stay here long.
We are losing friendlies!
Target behind cover!
Weapons free!
Did you kill Marine? Hostile eliminated! Ammo crate, load up. There's ammo here.
Reloading! Keep them off me!
In position! Reloading!
Deploy!
Boss, we're covering you, but it's hell to navigate up here.
Roger, we're pushing forward.
Hostile using cover!
Reloading! Give me cover!
Keep moving!
Enemy
Medic!
You're on your own after this one.
Glad you got my 6. Cover me! Reloading! Deploying incendiary! We need to push on! Engage!
Unable to comply.
There's ammo here.
Through here!
Wait, counterbalance. I got it. Okay, go.
Murphy,
I'm here! What shit was that close?
look for another way around. I'll meet you up ahead. Murphy, I see the transmitters, but...
Interrupt the connection. Switch off anything linked to an antenna. Hold fire! We got him!
Murph, it didn't work.
Then they set up a backup. Look for something with a battery and a lot of wires going into it.
Yeah, I see it.
Disconnect every wire.
You almost here? The launch is still active.
Maybe it's talking to another console.
It's online, no idea what it's doing.
Then just prick the shit out of it.
Can do. Fucking strike. Tell me it was enough.
Has hit clear. The bird's on the way.
Oh, God.
It's not a full salvo, Has. It worked.
Those men trust me with their lives, Has. If we break that trust, what the fuck are we dying for? There's better freedoms out there. Don't you want to die for something real?
Come on, Harris. Still got work to do.
Hell. And if Carter hadn't made it to the transmitters, it'd be worse.
Hey, yo, Murph. He's coming around.
The strike. We got it.
It's okay, Has.
Murphy.
They intercepted almost all the missiles. Big residential neighborhoods made it. We saved a lot of lives.
Yeah, and all your wounds are superficial, so you're gonna be okay. You know, aside from whatever you picked up swimming in the East River.
You should see the one that got away.
Hey, they want to take him to the fob over at Fulton, just to be safe.
I'm fine.
Guys. Has. It's Mills. She says President Fernandez has been moved to a safe house across town.
Tell her we gotta make a stop at Empire Fulton Ferry.
Wait. Kincaid!
He's not here, Has.
It's because the bastard's on his way to the real target. What's bigger than New York?
President Fernandez.
That's right. Yeah, go. Get the location of the safe house from Mills. Tell her we're headed there now.
Roger that.
Headed there in... what? Our little bird got totaled.
There's our ride right there.
That thing? Pretty sure Pax just ditched that.
Yeah, well, if it runs, we're in business. Look, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But you can visit me in the brig after the president's safe, okay?
I'm glad the fall knocked the stick out of your keister, Top.